Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Chere'l. I do hair content, hair tips, professional talks. This video right here is specifically about roller setting and using a serum. So I wanted to be specific with this video. It is for my girl Chere'l. I think I'm pronouncing it right. Chere'l 1541. I'm gonna put your name at the bottom. Chere'l 1541. So anyway, she asked me in my last video, is it okay to use a serum when you're roller setting your hair? So I just got through shampooing and I'm going to demonstrate for you how to do it. But I also wanted to share with you what I'm using, which is a frizz buster from Fantasia. Now, just because I'm using this does not mean you guys should not use whatever serum that you want. But if you're looking into serums and want to know more information, I will have a video about what serums are and how they work and like what's the big deal with the serums. Okay, but anyway, so the serum I'm using is a Fantasia brand frizz buster serum. It actually eliminates dry, frizzy, damaged hair. Okay, it strengthens it straightens, smooths, and moisturizes and shines. Okay, that is true. Yes, you can use this during a roller set. So I'm going to show you how. First, I'm going to read the directions. The directions say shampoo and condition as usual, which I have done. And I have used my Joico Hydra Splash shampoo and conditioner for fine to medium dry hair. I use this because I relax my hair, and this actually does really well for my relaxed hair. I use a conditioner by the same brand, and then I also use my leave-in Hydro Splash Joico leave-in replenish and leave-in conditioner. Now that we got the directions out the way, let's see how much do we need to use. First, let me prep my hair. When I say prep my hair, I'm going to take it out. I had it in a bag because I wanted to keep the moisture, right? So I already cleaned my combs. This is the comb that I'm using. I'm going to do a video on the type of combs there are and what the differences are and everything, and what good combs to use. So I'm using this side of the comb, combing from ends to roots. Okay. I'm taking my time. I'm not yanking my hair. Okay, so now that we have our hair all combed and stuff, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna get a little serum. Little bit. This is a little bit. That's the amount. And that's because my hair is fine. My hair is short. I don't need a lot. And what I like to do when I'm putting on a product, I do not put it on here first. I go back and then forward, okay? Only because you don't want majority of your product, and I make sure I massage it through all of my hands because I'm going to use my hands to do my roller set. So you go back, then you go forward, okay? Then you go to the sides, and you get all the way in there. I see so many people just rubbing it on the top and just rubbing it. And it's all it is just going to be on the top. Okay. So now what you're going to do, you're going to take your comb, and now we're going to section. Now, I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to roller set my hair today. I'm not going to use a lot of rollers. So, and I think I have somewhere to be in a little while, so I don't know. I might do a brick lay roller set. We're gonna start from the back today. So this part is about to be sped up, guys. It's about to be sped up. Y'all look at my little ponytail. Before I wasn't able to put it up in the ponytail again. Okay, all right. Anyway, so what are we doing? Oh, we need to saturate our hair again. Not dripping wet too much, but it does not need to be any type of dry. And then we're also going to use our setting lotion. Our setting lotion is going to be diluted. This is diluted with water. So for those of you who've never used setting lotion before but want to try setting lotion, make sure you dilute it with water. Follow the directions. The directions will always tell you what to do. And if it does not tell you what to do, you can look it up on Google, and Google will probably have directions somewhere. If you cannot find it, message me down in the comments and I will tell you. The reason why I say dilute setting lotion, because if you use too much, it is going to look like you have flakes coming off your hair, but you don't. But it's actually just setting lotion. Let's put this towel around our neck. Oh no, it fell. Every time your comb fall on the floor, guys, please wipe it off. Wipe it off or wash it off. If you can wash it off, wash it off. And if you are a cosmetologist or a stylist, please do not pick up a comb off the dirty floor, because the floor has a lot of hair and all that stuff on it, and put it back in your client's head. That is very disgusting. Don't ever do that. Get you another comb. You should have combs cleaned and ready to go. Okay. So I'm switching combs because I'm using this comb. This is a chemical comb. Normally this is for like when you're doing your weaving for bleaching. Okay. Do not use this comb when you're relaxing your hair. Do not. Okay. Anyway. And like I said, we are going to be talking about combs and stuff. The different types of combs in another video, and when to use them and how to use them, how to like use them for certain styling tips and everything. The only reason why I'm using this end of the comb is to get a straight line versus me using my all-purpose comb and having to go across that line again plenty of times. So now that we have our serum on, you can just roller set as usual. Okay.